Butter-basted ribeye steak. Perfectly seared, basted golden. Made for America tonight.
Hey y'all, love my NYC pizza? Now get ready, Gray. Butter-basted ribeye steak. Here are every single ingredient you need for butter-basted ribeye. 16 ounces. Herbed compound butter, 3. Parsley, garlic, lemon zest, the steak's best friend. Roll the compound butter into a log, refrigerate until firm and ready. Generous kosher salt from Height. Season both sides completely and evenly now. That counts as tasting. Coarse black pepper pressed in firmly, Bill. This crust is gonna be incredible. Cast iron on screaming high heat, Roy. We need it absolutely ripping hot. Deglaze those beautiful drippings. That pan sauce is pure liquid gold right there. Ribeye goes into the screaming hot cast iron. Do not touch it now. 4 minutes, no touching. That Maillard crust is render the fat cap edge style. Crispy golden fat makes this steak incredible. Butter, garlic, thyme, rosemary into the hot pan. Basting time has arrived.
Continuous butter basting. Every single spoonful infuses pure flavor perfection.
Internal temperature at 120 black rates. 5 more degrees from carryover cooking will finish it. Rest 8 minutes under foil, the hardest weight of Chef Snowpaw's life. Rested to absolute perfection on ribeye. Look at that magnificent ribeye right there. Herbed compound butter sliced into perfect roundery. This goes straight on top. Oh, compound butter melting on that hot crust, is it? Pure, absolute luxury perfection.
Look at that butter cascade. This is why we cook America.
Pan sauce drizzled over that compound butter roux. Pure, absolute steakhouse luxury. I got carried away. Fresh thyme, roasted garlic clay. The garnish that makes this presentation absolutely perfect.
Perfect medium rare pink from edge to edge. That is absolute perfection.
Full steakhouse presentation, plated beautifully. This is restaurant quality right here. Sliced against the grain, here's every single piece is perfectly tender and beautiful. Symmetry matters. Flaky sea salt finish. Oh, those crystals on that pink are breathtaking.
Butter-basted ribeye steak whole. Medium rare pink perfection. Made for America tonight.
Oh, America, that first bite is absolutely.
Roasted potatoes and broccolini complete the perfect steakhouse dinner right here. And here we observe the butter-basted ribeye in its natural habitat.
Butter-basted ribeye steak. Made with love for all of America. Thank you, y'all.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.